So this is a surprise from my Mossy, and she has given me dream a Barbie doll. This is a magic doll. Now we will open it. So this is a doll. This is a doll, and her wig, purple wig, and her skirt, her wings, her sandals, and her soap. Now, what we have to do? Now we have to change. Now we have to pour water in this tub, and we have to put it. So let's go to put water in this. Let's go. So we will put some water. Let's go again. So this is hot water, and now the doll. Now I will wet the soap. Now I will scribble the soap on her and see the magic. Her purple color is changing into skin color. Now we will put her in her tub. Maybe I have to put more water. So let's go again. Let's stop the water. See, her color has changed. Her hairs. Her body. This is her body. You can see the magic. Her purple color is changed in the skin color. Now she have to go into party, so she will be ready. So first we will add her wig like this, and now she has wear her wig, and now she will wear her skirt like this. And now she will wear her heels. And another. And now this is her wig. This is her wig. Now we will add this ring into this like this. And now she will wear the ring on her belly, and her wings are ready. Now you can see. So now she is ready for the party. So bye. Bye.